Let's go to the lines, Brad.
Ryan is in the Bronx.
BX, lean back. What's up?
What's up?
Hello?
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you guys doing?
Fantastic. What's going
Just having
on?
a laugh here and there.
I just have a quick question. So, I applied for for renewing my work permit, right? And I got a letter based on my case saying that my work permit qualifies for 180 days extension because I have a Suprema de Fasi case at the moment, the VAWA case.
Okay.
Yeah. However, my job is saying that extension letter, they're not accepting it. So I'm wondering, what do I do?
What do you mean they're not accepting the extension
They say
letter?
it's not valid.
What's not valid? You have a work permit.
The letter.
A letter that says what? What does the letter say?
That says that my work permit qualifies for the 180 days
Prima facie
extension.
case? Is that what you're talking about? The prima facie case, all that says is that you're eligible for government benefits, need-based benefits. That's not a work authorization. So you need to have a employment authorization document. Okay? Now, what the law says is when you go to renew your employment authorization document, if on a renewal, if it's more than 90 days and still pending, then your employer has to be willing to take you back pending the outcome of the employment authorization document renewal. But within the first 90 days, if there's a period of time when you can't legally work, you can't legally work. So you have to know to file for your employment authorization document renewal 90 days before the expiration. Did you do that?
No, I didn't.
So that's why you're having a problem now. All right,
So
hold on.
is it something that can be fixed?
Yeah, get your employment authorization document, but until then, the employer has every right not to hire you. Okay, you screwed up. Hold on 1 second.
Hello there, Alfred. How you doing?
Good.
Hey,
Elfrey, how are you?
at least you're doing something,
I'm
Alfred.
good. So
Yes.
my question is like this. Hello?
Yeah, Elfrey, we only have about 40 minutes left of the show. What is the question?
Okay, the question is, I am H-1B right now,
Okay. Where are you from?
and I'm from New York City, but I'm working here in New Jersey.
No, where are you originally from? You wouldn't be on an H-1B from New York City.
I'm from Philippines.
From the Philippines. Okay.
Yes.
All right. And what type of work do you do? Could I ask that, or is that too personal?
I'm electrical engineer.
An electrical engineer. Wonderful. We need more of you here. More educated, well-educated, smart people.
Okay.
How long have you been here on an H-1B visa?
More than 10 years.
More than 10. Okay, so you have a labor certification going.
Yes.
Right.
And I'm already have I-485 pending for more than a year.
Great.
Oh, more than how many years? Because I filed it last 2015.
Okay.
And become retrogress.
Yep.
Come back.
Yep.
The priority date. Come back. And then right now, I am on the current.
Okay.
I'm EB3.
Okay.
And then
Squeeze, do you want me
I
to translate for you what's going on with him?
Please do.
Okay, so he was on an H-1B. You get 6 years on an H-1B. After 6 years, you got to go home unless you start a labor application, which is an application for your permanent green card before the end of your 5th year.
Okay.
If you can start a labor application before the end of your 5th year, you get to extend your H-1B to a 7th year, an 8th year, a 9th year, a 10th year, which is what this gentleman did, until his priority date became current and he filed an adjustment application.
Okay.
But what happened with people from the Philippines is after his priority date became current, after waiting all these years for a green card, they gave too many green cards to people from the Philippines, and as a result, they started a waiting list and put him back on a waiting list for a green card. So he was eligible for a green card, then got put on a waiting list for a green card, which is the retrogression, and now he's eligible again. And now your question is what?
my question
Is that correct, by the way?
Yes.
Yes.
My question is, I'm H-1B, and my company bought by another company. And then what if they not
You're okay.
extend my H-1B?
You are okay because you have a pending adjustment, and when you go for and you have a work permit through your adjustment, and
that's the problem. I didn't renew my work permit.
Go renew your work permit now. okay, and you should be doing that, and you have a pending adjustment, and if you have a pending adjustment for more than 180 days through a labor application under AC 21, boy, I'm really pulling this stuff out, which is true.
Yeah, you are.
AC 21, which was a law change back in the early 2000s, you're allowed to switch employers and have the new employer complete the case. So here's a situation where his H-1B employer got bought out by a second company, but he has a pending adjustment for more than 180 days. He gets a work permit. The new company can complete the case when he goes on the adjustment interview, as long as it's in the same position for the same salary or more.
Okay.
You can have the new company complete the case, but it's not going to be based on an H-1B. It's based on a pending adjustment more than 180 days under AC 21. Go speak to your lawyer about it or come see me.
No.
Okay.
Come see you.
Okay? Got it?
But I cannot travel outside the U.S.
Of course you can. Get advance parole. You can do everything. Hold on 1 second.
Hey, Michael, how are you,
Michael,
man?
what's up?
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, sir. If you're in Florida, it's good afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, good
All
afternoon.
right.
Weather
no
was
problem.
very nice there this weekend.
Yes, I had my green card, and I got into some trouble back in the day before I got the green card. And I
Okay.
traveled with that, but they stopped me when I was coming in.
What was the trouble?
Excuse me?
What was the trouble?
Suspended driver's license.
All right, that's not so much trouble. I mean, it's trouble, but it's not trouble to be deported for.
Right.
Uh-huh.
But know that I have a domestic case, and
that's trouble.
It was dismissed, and
But
I
then
went to
that's not
court,
trouble.
and
Okay.
the judge said it was nully processed. But
Nully process is good.
so I want to travel again. Would that be anything?
Suspended
more about?
licenses and a domestic violence that was dismissed is not a problem, but travel with your disposition so you don't have an issue and you can get through as quickly as possible. What I would suggest is, to be 100% certain, is at least have a consultation with us, send us your dispositions, and that way we can confirm that it's okay for you to travel. Hold on
I'm
one second.
100% that it was dismissed. Because before I leave the courthouse, I asked, and they said yes, nully processed.
Then you're good. Hold on 1 second.
I always say get the disposition.
We have somebody from Columbia, South Carolina.
Columbia, South Carolina.
Hello, what is your name? Hello?
Effrey.
Hello?
Hello, Avery?
Emery.
Emery, how are you?
Hello?
Emery?
Emery.
Hello?
Hi
Emery.
there. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Wonderful.
We're doing wonderful.
All right, I have a question for you.
Okay.
I have a son who is over 21, and he was being denied here. He lives in the States, and he was already petitioned for, but he was being denied.
Why?
If I want to petition for him, can I do it the same?
Why was he denied?
I really don't know, but
So then you petitioning for him may or may not help. Depends on the reasons why he was denied. I think we would need to have a consultation to figure it out. I don't know. Okay?
Oh,
so
okay.
if you already got denied once, just saying, "Oh, I'm going to file again." I'm not saying that's what you were doing, so because you called our show to see if that was the right procedure. But just saying, "I'm going to file again," without figuring out what the underlying reason for the denial and fixing it is not the right way to go. So let's figure out what the reason for the denial is and see if it's fixable before you go and file for him. Okay? So hold on one second. Hold on 1 second.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LAWLINK. You ever just, for a split second, feel proud about what you're doing, or for an hour or days upon days, just feel proud about what it is that you're doing, Brad?
Yes, I do.
Good. Next question. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
You know who's proud of what they're doing? The whole team back there.
That's a great team.
Great team. Great team. And they're very proud of the show.
That's good.
Very proud.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. Hello.
Hyacinth,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Wonderful.
Wonderful, Hyacinth.
Okay, one question.
Yes.
I've been here 18 years now, and I'd like to know how to I go about to get my green card.
You hear that, Brad?
18 years.
And
You
she
like
wants
to know.
So how does she do it, Brad? Help her.
You would need a consultation.
You
Hyacinth.
need a serious
I don't
consultation,
know.
my darling.
18 years. Hold on 1 second. Let's finish up with Kevin in Atlanta,
Yes.
Georgia.
Let's go to Kevin at ATL.
Kevin in Atlanta.
Kevin, what's up?
How are you?
Good day.
Good day.
So, I have a question.
Yes.
Sure, Kevin. Make it quick.
I have my work permit, but I'm not working yet.
Mm-hmm.
Does that affect my probability for my green card?
No. No, because your green card is based on, you're getting sponsored by a family member, I assume, right?
Yeah, my wife.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, your green card is based on your wife's affidavit of support. You don't necessarily have to work.
Okay. Thank you.